Hello everyone, my name is Jovash Johnson and today I will be presenting my UiPath automation project, Automated Certificate Generation. The objective of this project is to automate the process of generating certificates using UiPath, Excel, and PowerPoint. Manually creating certificates for multiple recipients can be time consuming and error prone. This automation ensures accuracy, efficiency, and scalability. Now, before walking through the project, I will show the Excel file and PowerPoint file. Let me take out the file. Okay, let me share screen. So here is the Excel file which I have saved, and the file name is list. Here is the course completed student names, and I have typed some students' name, including me, including myself. The main task of this project is that when I debug the file, this name gets displayed on the certificate template. So let me show the PowerPoint presentation in which certificate template is displayed. So here is the default certificate template. Here the name on default is ABC. So when we are debugging the file, the names which are shown in the Excel will be displayed and it will be getting changed. That is the core activity of this project. So without wasting any time, we can start the project using UiPath. So first, open UiPath Studio, click on the process, create a process name, automated certificate generation, click on create button. So wait for a little time. So now it gets open. Click on open main workflow. So the first activity you have to add is use Excel file. The first activity you have to add is use Excel file. Wait for a minute, it is getting added. It's adding dependencies. So now it will get displayed. So the use Excel file activity is getting added and click on the browse for file button, and I have saved the Excel file on desktop and click on the list file and click on open. And the next activity we have to add is for each Excel row. In this activity, in range, click on the plus button, and on the Excel sheet it will get displayed sheet 1. Click on that and make sure that you have enabled the hash address option, or make sure that you have checked the hash address box. And the next activity we have to add is use PowerPoint presentation. So you have to browse the PowerPoint presentation file. So click on the browse for file option, and I have saved in the desktop. The file name is certificate of completion. Click on the file and open. Make sure that you have disabled the save changes option or you have unchecked the save changes option. Next, the main important activity is to replace text in presentation. You have to add this activity and on find what we have to type the name which I have shown in the PowerPoint file. On default, the name written on the PowerPoint file was ABC. So under the find what, type ABC. Don't just simply type. You have to insert a double inverted comma between the name. So first insert the double inverted comma, type ABC. Now save it. And on replace it option, click on the plus button and on the current row, select course completed student names. So then the last but not the least, the last activity is save PowerPoint file as. So now click on the plus button under the save as file and click on the current row and and click on the course completed student names. So this is our project workflow. First we have used Excel file, we have browsed for the file and we have added for each Excel row and we have used PowerPoint presentation. We have browsed the PowerPoint presentation file from the desktop and we have replaced the text in presentation and we have saved the PowerPoint file as. So while debugging, you may not be able to see the PowerPoint file where the name gets changed. So I will pause this. Let me wait a minute. So let me debug the file. So now the name is getting changed. First my name was Jovash Johnson. Now it was Hanna Varghese. And now the name changes to Vignesh Shankar. And the next the name changes to Esther Sarah Joshi. So these all are the names which I have entered on the Excel file. Whatever I entered on the Excel file, the name that got displayed in the certificate. So this is the project workflow I have done. And let's dive into the technical implementation of the automation. We use Excel to store the recipient details and dynamically update text in PowerPoint. The challenges I have faced is during development, I have faced challenges such as formatting inconsistencies in PowerPoint and errors while saving files. To solve this, I adjusted recipient positions and validated file paths. I just edited the names in order to avoid. So, in summary, this automation reduces manual effort, ensures accuracy, and scales efficiently for large data sets. My contribution was designing the workflow, implementing PowerPoint automation, and optimizing data handling. Future improvements include automated email distribution of certificates and enhanced log. I found um, I found this project very useful for me, and I hope you found this demonstration of the project very useful and very informative. Thank you for watching.